KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, has become a global icon in the fast food industry, known for its secret blend of 11 herbs and spices that has tantalized taste buds for decades. Founded by Colonel Harlan Sanders in the 1930s, KFC started as a small roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. Over the years, it grew to a franchise that now boasts thousands of locations worldwide. However, the origins of its famous recipe are shrouded in mystery and controversy, sparking debates about its true creator. Discussing the potential theft of KFC's recipe is significant for several reasons. It not only highlights the complexities of culinary ownership, but also raises questions about race recognition and the often overlooked contributions of Black individuals in the food industry. The narrative surrounding KFC's recipe is not just about fried chicken. It's a reflection of broader societal issues that deserve attention. What many people may not know is that a Black woman played a crucial role in the development of KFC's iconic flavor. Her story remains largely untold, overshadowed by the more prominent figure of Colonel Sanders. By exploring this hidden narrative, we can gain a deeper understanding of the recipe's origins and the cultural dynamics at play. So stick around as we dive into the fascinating and controversial history of KFC's recipe, uncovering the layers of its creation and the unsung heroes behind it. You won't want to miss this intriguing journey into the world of fried chicken. The origins of KFC. Colonel Harlan Sanders, the face of KFC, had a humble beginning that shaped his culinary journey. Born in 1890 in Henryville, Indiana, Sanders faced numerous challenges in his early life, including the loss of his father at a young age. This hardship forced him to take on various jobs to support his family, which ultimately ignited his passion for cooking. By the time he reached adulthood, Sanders had honed his skills in the kitchen, experimenting with flavors and techniques that would later define his signature fried chicken. In 1930, Sanders opened a service station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he began serving meals to travelers. It was here that he perfected his fried chicken recipe, using a pressure cooker to create a unique cooking method that locked in flavor and moisture. His chicken quickly gained popularity, leading him to establish the first KFC franchise in 1952. This marked a significant turning point, as Sanders began to franchise his concept, allowing the KFC brand to expand rapidly across the United States and beyond. The idea of secret recipes has become a cornerstone of the fast food industry, with many brands vying for the title of the best-kept culinary secret. KFC's famous blend of 11 herbs and spices is perhaps the most iconic example, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This secret recipe not only sets KFC apart from its competitors, but also adds an element of allure that keeps customers coming back for more. As we delve deeper into KFC's history, we uncover the fascinating journey of Colonel Sanders and the legacy he created through his innovative approach to fried chicken. The legend of the secret recipe. The mystique surrounding KFC's secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices is a cornerstone of the brand's identity and marketing strategy. This unique blend not only defines the flavor of KFC's fried chicken, but also serves as a powerful symbol of the brand's commitment to quality and tradition. The allure of a secret recipe creates an emotional connection with customers, who are drawn to the idea of enjoying something exclusive and special. This branding strategy has played a crucial role in establishing KFC as a household name across the globe. Over the years, the recipe has become a closely guarded secret, shrouded in layers of intrigue and speculation. Colonel Sanders himself was known to be fiercely protective of his creation, going to great lengths to ensure that it remained confidential. The recipe is said to be locked away in a safe, with only a select few individuals privy to its exact formulation. This air of secrecy has fueled countless rumors and attempts to replicate the famous flavor, further enhancing its legendary status. The impact of this secret recipe on KFC's global success cannot be overstated. It has allowed the brand to maintain a competitive edge in the fast food industry, attracting customers who crave that distinctive taste. As KFC expanded internationally, the recipe remained a key selling point, adapting to local markets while retaining its core identity. This balance of tradition and innovation has solidified KFC's place as a leader in the fast food sector, proving that sometimes a little mystery can go a long way in building a brand's legacy. The Black woman behind the recipe. While Colonel Harlan Sanders is often credited as the face of KFC, there are claims that a Black woman played a significant role in the creation of the iconic recipe. This woman, often referred to as Miss Claudia, is believed to be Claudia Sanders, the Colonel's second wife. However, some narratives suggest that other unnamed black women who were skilled in Southern cooking also contributed to the development of the recipe. Their culinary expertise and deep-rooted knowledge of flavors and techniques were instrumental in shaping what would become KFC's signature dish. Claudia Sanders had a rich culinary background, having grown up in a family that valued home-cooked meals and traditional Southern fare. Her experience in the kitchen, combined with her understanding of spices and cooking methods, likely influenced the development of the famous recipe. Southern cooking has long been celebrated for its rich flavors and comforting dishes, and the contributions of black women in this culinary tradition cannot be overstated. They have historically been the backbone of Southern kitchens, passing down recipes and techniques through generations. The cultural significance of black women in the culinary world is profound. They have often been the unsung heroes behind many beloved dishes, yet their contributions have frequently gone unrecognized. By exploring the role of black women in the creation of KFC's recipe, we not only honor their culinary legacy but also shed light on the broader narrative of race and recognition in the food industry. This investigation invites us to appreciate the rich tapestry of influences that have shaped American cuisine, reminding us that every recipe has a story worth telling. Claims of recipe theft. The allegations of recipe thefts surrounding KFC have sparked considerable debate and intrigue over the years. Some accounts suggest that the original recipe was not solely the brainchild of Colonel Harlan Sanders, but rather a collaborative effort that included contributions from various individuals, particularly black women skilled in Southern cooking. Anecdotes from former employees and culinary historians indicate that the recipe may have been influenced by traditional Southern dishes, raising questions about ownership and credit. These claims highlight the complexities of culinary creation, where recipes often evolve through shared knowledge and cultural exchange. In the broader context of the food industry, appropriation is a recurring theme. Many iconic dishes have roots in marginalized communities, yet the credit often goes to those in positions of power. This dynamic can lead to a lack of recognition for the original creators, perpetuating a cycle of erasure. The case of KFC serves as a poignant example of how culinary traditions can be commodified, with the original influences obscured in the process. Recognizing contributions from marginalized communities is crucial for fostering a more equitable food landscape. By acknowledging the diverse influences that shape popular recipes, we can honor the rich cultural heritage behind them. This recognition not only validates the experiences of those who have historically been overlooked, but also enriches our understanding of food as a shared cultural experience. As we examine the claims of recipe theft in KFC's history, we are reminded of the importance of inclusivity and respect in the culinary world, ensuring that all voices are heard and celebrated. Cultural impact and legacy. KFC has made a significant mark on American cuisine, particularly in the realms of Southern cooking and fast food culture. The brand popularized fried chicken as a staple dish, elevating it from a regional favorite to a national phenomenon. KFC's unique blend of spices and cooking techniques has influenced countless restaurants and home cooks, shaping the way fried chicken is prepared and enjoyed across the country. The franchise's success also paved the way for the fast food industry, demonstrating that a simple, well-executed dish could capture the hearts and appetites of millions. The legacy of the black woman involved in the recipe's history, often overshadowed by Colonel Sanders, is an essential aspect of KFC's narrative. Her contributions reflect the broader influence of black women in Southern cuisine, who have historically been the keepers of culinary traditions. By acknowledging her role, we not only honor her legacy but also recognize the vital contributions of marginalized communities to American food culture. This acknowledgement is crucial in understanding the complexities of culinary heritage and the importance of representation. As KFC continues to thrive, the ongoing conversation about cultural appropriation in food remains relevant. The blending of culinary traditions can lead to innovation, but it also raises questions about ownership and recognition. The dialogue surrounding KFC's recipe and its origins serves as a reminder of the need for inclusivity and respect in the culinary world. By engaging in these discussions, we can work towards a more equitable food culture that honors the diverse influences that shape our culinary landscape, ensuring that all contributions are celebrated and valued. In this exploration of KFC's recipe, we've uncovered an untold story that highlights the significant contributions of a black woman in its creation. While Colonel Harlan Sanders is often celebrated as the face of KFC, the influence of those who have historically been overlooked, particularly Black women skilled in Southern cooking, is crucial to understanding the recipe's origins. This narrative not only enriches our appreciation of KFC's iconic flavor, but also sheds light on the broader context of culinary heritage and the importance of recognizing diverse contributions. Acknowledging the roles that marginalized communities have played in shaping American cuisine is essential for fostering a more inclusive food culture. By understanding the complexities of culinary history, we can honor the rich tapestry of influences that have contributed to beloved dishes like KFC's fried chicken. This recognition not only validates the experiences of those who have been overlooked, but also encourages a deeper appreciation for the diverse flavors that define our culinary landscape. If you enjoyed this deep dive into KFC's recipe and its fascinating history, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might be interested in the stories behind their favorite foods. Your engagement helps us continue to explore and celebrate the rich narratives that shape our culinary world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more captivating stories in the future.